Sissy's birthday. That'll be great for camping. Uggs for bugs. Avery, take that past the edge now.
I'm not doing it for it. Make something, put it in the what is that? Like you go for it.
And then we put it in the mold and then I can't open it.
Bah!
Those? Right.
Have you seen those?
It's so cold because it was in the fridge. You gotta warm it up. She's been waiting for.
Hello. And then I got the kitty cat. Goodbye. I need a red after Nixie. Why am I wait, we're on the golf cart.
Oh, y'all riding with Mama.
Yeah. I thought that you were the driver.
They have a towing capacity of 1,600 pounds.
Wait, Mama, you want to see your handshake?
See y'all. Bye bye.
Bro's doing the straddle. We have two of these.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adley. Happy birthday to you. And many more. At Sango School!
Happy birthday,
Woo! Mr. TJ, guess what tent I'm using? I'm using your tent. Raw. Raw. Time to go get Sissy.
Wait a minute.
At 9 years old. Hooray!